When searching Castellum AI, you have the option to review your matches in the profile, to do an onboarding workflow, but there's also a PDF report. The PDF report can be done without going through the workflow or after. Here we're going to do it without. So I'm going to click the Export PDF button. The PDF report will have your username, date timestamp, what the score that you were searching at was, how many items you screened, how many items are flagged, and also whether or not you finished the review. Here we didn't do the review, so we have one item incomplete. Now the red will show where you have matches. This doesn't show whether or not you had a true positive or not, just that you had matches in those categories. It also shows you the list sources screened and the list within each category. Here you'll actually see a granular view. It'll say review incomplete, and you'll have all of the matches as well as the scores. And then if you want to go down to the appendix, it'll show you the specific list sources where you had the matches. Now, if you were to only screen 30 out of 67 OFAC lists, it would show that here as well. And then finally, at the very end, we have a little thank you for doing your part to fight financial crime.